It's been a while since we've had any news on Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, an alleged crypto grifter facing security fraud charges, among others, from the United States federal government. And the most recent news coming out has to do with his former company and his parents. FTX is suing Sam's parents, Joseph Bankman and Barbara Fried. Why? FTX in their lawsuit alleges that Bankman and Fried accepted a $10 million cash gift and a $16.4 million luxury property in the Bahamas from FTX, even as the company headed towards destruction. Bankman and Fried also pushed FTX to make tens of millions of dollars in charitable contributions, including to Stanford University, according to FTX's lawsuit. FTX, now being led by turnaround specialist John Ray, the same man tasked with recovering creditor funds from Enron in the wake of its accounting scandals and subsequent collapse in the early 2000s. Ray said that the company founder Sam Bankman-Fried ran FTX as a family business and misappropriated billions in customer funds for the benefit of a small circle of insiders, including his parents. What makes matters worse is that Sam's father, Joseph Bankman, is a tax specialist at Stanford Law School. FTX alleges that Joseph often positioned himself as the adult in the room in a company run by his son, now 31, and other executives with little management experience. Yet Bankman stayed silent when he saw warnings of fraud and did little to prevent FTX's leadership from misappropriating customer funds, according to the lawsuit. If that wasn't rich enough, Sam's mom is a law professor focused on, I kid you not, legal ethics. The lawsuit alleges that Barbara Fried was the strongest influence on FTX's political contributions, causing Sam and other executives to contribute millions of dollars directly to a political action committee that she co-founded, according to FTX's lawsuit. There is something extraordinary to be said when the son of a tax specialist and a legal ethics professor is alleged for one of the largest grifts in modern history by frauding investors of billions of dollars. Bankman and Fried's attorneys said in a joint statement that FTX's claims were completely false and the lawsuit was a waste of funds that could be returned to FTX customers. Quote, "This is a dangerous attempt to intimidate Joe and Barbara and undermine the jury process just days before their child's trial begins," the attorneys said. Time will tell what proof or evidence FTX has to make these challenges in court. As they mentioned, FTX launches these lawsuits shortly before the trial is set to begin on Sam Bankman-Fried. So it's possible they are using the lawsuit as a way to paint SBF and his whole family as in on the racket. But keep in mind that FTX is trying to recover assets for customers that were defrauded, and it's the US government that has brought the charges against SBF. So they could be acting in concert, but they are two different plaintiffs. Sam Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to the charges that he defrauded FTX customers by using their funds to prop up his own risky investments. He is currently jailed ahead of his trial scheduled to begin on October 3rd. Other former FTX executives have pleaded guilty to criminal charges. With the trial starting soon, I'm sure there will be a lot more great content to come about SBF and the collapse of the famed crypto exchange. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.